Riwruok mar Jopuonj mano KUPPET okwedo wach mane wach kod jata tije mar duol mandiko jopuonj Nancy Macharia ni onge jopuonj ma osetieko higni mohewo 5 kapok omedgi lemo mar tich.
KUPPET dwaro ni TSC oket ler malong'o ewi chenro mar ndiko jopuonj ka Omondi ni kod ler mathoth.
Mana ndalo matin bang' jata tije mar duol mandiko jopuonj Nancy Macharia rucho oko weche maliekore ni nitiere jopuonj ma osetieko mohewo higni 5 kapok omed lemo. Riwruok mar jopuonj mar KUPPET owuok mager mar kwedo wach machal kod mano ka gilero ni gin kod lipot moting'o jopuonje mohewo 8,000 mapok omed lemo kuom mohewo higni 10.
If we quantify all the number of years that the teachers have stagnated in the same job groups, while others have acted as deputies, or as masters, or as principals, or as HODs without promotion, the pending bill is overwhelming. When we did a quick calculation recently, it was going to about 2 billion Kenya shillings. And that is why it's a total lie for the CEO to say that no teacher has stagnated in the same job group for more than 5 years. We have statistics. We went out to do a research. And the whole of this file I'm holding are statistics of teachers who are stagnated and the number of years they have been stagnated with the TSC number and the schools in which they teach.
Jata tije Nancy Macharia mane ogolo lipote nyim kamiti mar weche somo ne olero ni higa mar 2017 piny owacho nomedo ne jopuonje duto mane owinjo medie ngas mamalo.
As I told you, a number of our constituents have retired on a lower job group. They are going home with less pension. Who is answerable for this? These are the things we are going to. And now we have the kids, the lost man hours, and all these others.
Jakom mar KUPPET Mboko Milemba mane twak kod jofwambo bende ne okoni duol mandiko jopuonj TSC owinjo keto kenge makare keto ler ndiko mar jopuonje ka okoni jood bura nyalo bedo ni donjore e chenrogo nikech duol no keto mibadhi e ndiko jopuonje.
I see many politicians and members of parliament like myself now want to undertake the recruitment of teachers themselves. We must realize that this hullabaloo is because of the gaps that could be existing in the fairness of the process. And therefore I want to ask the Commission that this process must be very fair. If the process is fair, no politician will come out to start haggling in the employment of the teacher, because this is a professional issue which must be handled professionally by the Teacher Service Commission.
Bende okwedo mokalo wach mar ni duolno ne okondiko jopuonje makojolo maromo 5,000 kata bang' ka jood bura ne osepuodho omenda mar ndiko jopuonje go.
Number 2 are the 5,000 teachers who are supposed to be employed. And Parliament did pass that particular budget. In that particular time, I was still a member of the Education Committee. But we noticed that those teachers were never employed. This is a reason, a point that must call the Teacher Service Commission to order. Because if we allocated money as Parliament for employment of these teachers, then we should see the employment of the 5,000 teachers put in place. Because to get money from the exchequer is not easy. And to get money from the parliament is not easy.
Ma biro mana juma achiel bang' ka duol mandiko jopuonj lando thuolo mar ndiko jopuonj maromo 35,000, 550. Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.